If you think starting a YouTube channel in 2026 is hard, it's not. All you need is someone like myself to come in and take your hand and show you the step-by-step process on how to do it. In this video, I will teach you how to create your very own YouTube channel. The first thing, you need to go to youtube.com. Right now, you are on the youtube.com page. As you can see in the top right, you do not have a sign-in account yet. There are two ways to do it. More than likely, you already have a Gmail account. And if you do not have a Gmail account, don't worry, because we're going to create a Gmail account. Or if you already have a Gmail account or a YouTube channel that you would like to customize further, follow along. Now, we're going to click on sign in. More than likely, you will come up to a page that already have your sign-in accounts. But for the first example, we're going to use another account. Now, if you do not have an account yet, we're going to create an account. For that purpose, you will select for work or my business. If you already have your own domain, you can choose Google Workspace, but we are not going to do that. Assuming you do not have your own domain, we will get a Gmail address. On this page, you will create your Gmail account. So first name, I will put this. There you need to add your basic informations. That's your date of birth and gender. And on that page, you need to actually create your own Gmail address. As you can see there, they give you some options. But if you want to create your own Gmail address, you can type it in here like I'm going to do and click on next. Now you're going to create your password for that Gmail account. Now you need to verify the account. What I just did there on the last screen, I just grabbed my phone and scanned the QR code. Then it asked me to send a message. It says, send this message without editing. So the only thing that I had to do was to hit send message. Now you need to add a recovery email. The recovery email is an email that you already have before in case you need to recover something for that new Gmail account that you're trying to set up. So I'm going to be adding my very own email address that I use every day for that recovery email. Then you click next. Now it asks you for a phone number. So I'm going to be adding my phone number. Click next. On that screen, it says to get more from your phone or get more from your number. For an example, your number will be used to receive video calls and messages, make Google services, including ads, more relevant to you. I would just go ahead and skip that. So now I just ask you to review your account to make sure that all of the information that you have put there is what you wanted to actually put there. I've already reviewed the informations and all of the informations are correct, and I will click on next. Now you come to the privacy and terms. I would carefully read all of that because you do not want to run the risk of having your channel taken down just because you're doing something that you're not supposed to do. And once you finish reading all that, you can simply click on I agree, then confirm. And voila, congratulations, you've just created your very own Google account. Now it says your account is ready. Now get your business on Google. I would just skip that for now, not now. Now what you will need to do is to go back to youtube.com, and when you go to youtube.com, you will sign in with your very own account that you just created. Now that you are logged in with your new Google account, right underneath your account, you will see the button that says create a channel. This is what we are going to do. We're going to create a YouTube channel. So when you come to that page, it will show you where you can add your very own name for that channel and your handle. Now the handle is very unique to your channel, and that also protects you from all of the spam bots out there. Now, after you've reviewed the name that you want to keep and the handle, then you can go ahead and create your channel. Now you have your channel, you can start to upload videos. But before we do that, we're going to dial in some settings. That way you get the most out of YouTube. We are going to the YouTube studio, and that's where we're going in the back end. We will set some stuff up to set yourself or to set ourselves for success. We're going to click up here on your channel avatar, then you will go to YouTube Studio. Now, the YouTube Studio, this is where you check all of your analytics. This is your business dashboard. As you can see here, when you come to the YouTube dashboard, you will see here it says dashboard. You see here it says content. That's where you will see all of the contents that you upload. You see the community, subtitles, content detection, earns. This is when you start to make money on YouTube. What we are going to do is to go all the way down where it says settings. We'll go to the settings, then we will start to fix some stuff. Now, in the general, now depending on where you are, you can simply keep this currency in USD or you can change it. The second thing you need to do is to go to the channel. When you click on channel, you will see basic info, advanced settings, and feature eligibility. Under basic info, you can add your country of residence. For me, it's the US. Then you can add some channel keyword. When you go to the advanced tab or the advanced settings, you want to tell YouTube who is your audience. You will set no, this channel is not made for kids. And then under feature eligibility, you'll see the standard features is already enabled. For intermediate features, you can come here. All you have to do to fix that is to verify your phone number. So we're going to do that right now. We'll do this, then text me a verification code to my phone number. I'm going to be adding my phone number here and then hit next. So they will text me that 6-digit code. See if I already have it. Yes, so Google just texts me the 6-digit verification code. I'm going to just fill that in here. So as you can see, I'm using a Mac. So phone number is verified. Close this page, go back to this here, what was it, channel. Now you can see that the intermediate features is enabled. This will allow us to upload videos over 15 minutes, and custom thumbnails, and do live streaming. In the advanced features, it asks you to do a few stuffs. You can do a video verification, you can upload ID or channel history. So let's do access features. I will simply do a 6-second video of myself and then upload it there. So what I'm going to be doing now is to grab my trusty phone again and then scan that QR code. Do that, hit next. So what I'm doing in my phone is just asking me to log in again. So it asked me to agree to video verification. Now I'm just going to follow everything that it asked me to do on that screen. So I'm going to hit next. Just a moment, allow camera. It's going to show you this. It's a circle. It's going to tell you how to maneuver your head like in the perimeter of that circle. So I'm going to start. Turn your head up. Yep, that's good. Turn your head back to the center. Going to do that. That's good. That's the second thing. Now it's uploading the video. Your video is in review. That part is done. It says your video is in review. I guess now I can go back to this. I can just click done. It says pending, meaning in up to 24 hours, this will be enabled. Next thing we're going to do is to go to upload defaults. When we go to upload defaults, you can see like when you will be uploading a video, you will see the title, description, and then what is most important here is visibility. You need to select unlisted. So why you need to select unlisted is just that, especially you are a new YouTuber, when you will upload a video, you do not want it to be on public, because once you finish uploading that video, you hit save, that video is out there for me and the rest of the world to see. You want to keep it on unlisted. Even after you save the video will be unlisted. And for the advanced feature, you can see standard YouTube license category. So you can select your category for the channel. If you are under education, just like myself, you can just select education. And for your language and caption, you can select a language here, title and description language, you can select that there. And then for the comments, I would say you keep the moderation to basic. At least have some type of moderations there for the comment section. Now, under permission, it should say only you here. If you want to add somebody else that will do stuff like moderate your channel or the comment if you're doing live streams, or if you have somebody who will be working alongside with you to upload your contents and to edit, you can add that person there. And for community moderation, so you already have that there because you select basic moderation for the comment section. Messages, so messages in your live chat moderation, you can keep that to basic. Blocked words, there are like some words that you may not want to be seen in your YouTube videos, like under in the comment section, you can add them there. It's a bit pain in the butt, but that can take you quite some time to do, but it is well worth it once you start to get those bad words that you want to actually ban. Link text, whole comments with hashtag and URLs. You want to select that. You want to check that because you do not want to run the risk of letting someone to just spam your videos with a bunch of links that would actually take people to an unwanted site. For creator demographics, help make YouTube more inclusive, so you can take the survey for that and give your feedback. And the last one here is agreement. Once you all finish with all of that, you can click save. And if you want to add your own custom logo and custom banner and also your channel description, you are going to do that under customization. Still inside Studio, you go under customization. You can upload a logo, you can upload a banner, and you can change your name here and your handle. Then you can add your channel description. This is the description that appears when you or somebody goes to your channel. This is the description that will appear in that YouTube page. What else? If you wanted to add your email, you can add an email where people can contact you. Now, I would not add a personal email that I use to log in to the channel because this could expose you to spam or scams. Video watermark. So if you want to add a video watermark, you can upload that there. Then this will appear here. It could be like a logo or anything that you want to add. This will be the little thing that pop up when you hover on a YouTube video. And for the home tab, this is where you can customize the home tab the way you would like it to be. And this is how you create a YouTube channel from scratch. And the second example, I will show you how to take an existing YouTube channel, customize it so that you can have an updated YouTube channel that will set you up for success. So now we have the channel that we want to customize and update. We're going to do that right now. So the first thing we need to do is to go to YouTube Studio. So now we are in the back end of that YouTube channel that we want to customize or at least update. We will go to the customization first. Inside the customization, you see I can update the thumbnail. You see I can update the banner and the profile picture. As you can see here on the home tab, you see I've got two shorts. Going back to the profile, I will click change. So once I click on change, I will select this YouTube logo and upload it. This is correct, and I will be adding that. Now we've got a new YouTube logo. The next thing we need to update is the banner. We're going to click on change. We're going to add that banner. And as you can see here, we've got everything set it up because I've had my very own, because I've got my very own designer design everything for me. And if you'd like me to do a deep dive on how to create your own YouTube logo and YouTube banner, I will create a video for that, teaching you how to do that using Canva. So I'll hit done. So now we get a new YouTube logo and a banner. Now over here, this is where I will be updating the channel name. And the channel name is Dickerson YT. So Dickerson YT for YouTube, because I'm here to teach you how to YouTube. And for the channel description, as you can see here, I've already got this filled up. I will delete that. Then I will update it with a new YouTube channel description, or a new channel description. So now I have my channel description filled in. I will go down and see if I can have other things to add. There you see for the video watermark, it simply says subscribe. It says entire video. So you can select where you want to display it, end of video, custom start, or entire video. I just keep this at the entire video. So I will then hit, so everything there is good except for the handle. I'm gonna update the handle to Dickerson YT. So you see that check mark there, meaning nobody has that YouTube handle. This is mine, not yours. I'm going to hit publish. So what do I need to do next is to go to the settings. We're going to do the whole thing again. We're going to run the whole scheme again. You can see here, I've got a brand new logo, a brand new name, everything brand new. So going back to the settings, I'm going to the channel, basic info, then I will put United States, advanced settings. As you can see here, I'm going to click no. This is not made for kids. And you see all these features have been enabled, which is a plus. Okay, so we're going to hit save. Need to go back to the settings again. You will see upload default. As you can see here, I did not default it to anything. I'm going to default it to unlisted, community moderation. So I've got basic moderation. And here, link text, hold comments with hashtag and URLs. And creator demographics, not yet, agreement. So I'm going to hit save. You've just learned how to create your very own YouTube channel. Either if you did not have a YouTube channel or if you did not have a Google account, you've just learned how to create your very own Google account, going through the whole process of getting that YouTube or getting that Google account verified. And you've gone through 2 ways to create your very own YouTube channel with your very own new Google account or the Gmail account. Or if you already had a YouTube channel that was sitting there that you wanted to revamp, just like I just did for that, you learn how to do it. If your goal is to make it on YouTube, whether you want to use YouTube as a marketing front to market your services or your products, or if you want to use YouTube to generate income through affiliates or commissions, you name it, YouTube AdSense through the partner program, you will need to get at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. And the only way, my friend, you can get to 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time is to shoot videos and upload, create videos and upload, create more videos and upload. In the next video, I'm going to teach you the exact process that I go through when I'm shooting my video. Whether I'm shooting my videos using my trusty Pocket 3 with my DJI microphone, or whether I'm using my trusty iPhone, or whether I'm using my Sony A7 or 5. This could be a killer for some. You do not need to buy this expensive camera. You can use this, right? You can use this and that. And if you want to learn how to shoot your very first video to get it to your channel and upload it, comment video in the comment section, then I will create that video for you. And down in the description below, you will see a link to my free community. This is where we can gather together. You ask me questions, I give you answers. That way you can boost your confidence to actually, or to finally get off your butt and start your YouTube channel and post videos regularly, because you never know how helpful you can be to somebody out there by posting what you know. And with that, I'll see you in the next video.